If there was ever a time when the ocean needed us, that time is now. I remember being 6. We lived in a small apartment in Brooklyn, going crabbing with my dad. The first crab my dad pulled up, I wanted to keep it. It was my friend, and I felt this innate need to protect it. Once you have a relationship with nature or with animals, there's this natural reaction to nurture. And that started my journey into marine conservation. It's been my life's goal to protect our oceans. It's just become a part of who I am. We've become so disconnected from that which nourishes us. It's the foundation of all life on Earth. I'm trying to reconnect people to the source. It transfers into wanting to help this place. Getting people from New York City into the water, interacting with wildlife, and giving them the tools that they need to continue on with ocean restoration and conservation. The oceans do so much for us, and we can do the same for them.